Namaste. Today I will be making a black garbanzo bean salad. So I have boiled this black garbanzo bean in my electric pressure cooker, and it's nice and soft. And I've taken a little bit of celery, I've taken some cucumbers, and I've taken these broccoli seed sprouts, and I've cut them all together. So here you see the cucumber, celery, and broccoli sprouts. And this is a honey, literally are 2 doors down from us. There's a beekeeper. So it's hyper local honey from flowers that grow two houses down from us. And this is just, I've taken lemon and honey and a little bit of hing. So it's asafoetida, and that's it. I'm not even going to add salt. Salt and pepper I will add later. So I'm going to start off with taking a little bit. Now the thing is, the kala chana or black garbanzo salad must be made fresh. You can't just make it and keep it because the taste goes bad. So whenever you use, you have to keep it separate. Let's say you have someone coming, you make this side separate and this one, and when they come, you mix it together later. So I am going to be mixing a little bit of the celery, cucumber, and the broccoli sprouts in here. So it's like a bean salad. And why am I using this? I have this beautiful organic hing that I use. And here we go. Mix it well together, and your black garbanzo bean, kala chana salad is done. And the salt and pepper or herbs that you want to add right at the last minute when you're eating, because otherwise the taste of kala chana makes it very funky and it starts going bad. So just with the honey and lemon and hing, nothing's gonna go bad. But once you start adding the herbs, it does. So you add herbs according to what you like later. So here's it. Kala chana is very high in protein, and this is it's a meal unto itself.